What's up, guys? So I already did some Glenda nails, so of course I had to come through with the Elphaba nails. These were the nails that I actually wore to see the movie, but in true Elfie fashion, I wanted to make some that were just as phenomenal as she was, and to make sure that I do some jazzy nails that Cynthia Erivo would appreciate, because she loves her nails. So anyway, we're gonna get into this. It's kind of like a quick, just watch me create the nails, because it's not really a DIY, because this method right here did not work. I'm still working with the water transfer stickers and trying to work with them in a way that I don't ruin them, because they're so delicate, and I don't know if my tweezers were just too sharp or whatever, but it did not work this first round of water transfers. So as you can see, I just kind of scraped those right back off, and then once I got everything removed, I just started over with a clean slate with my water transfers and the decorating, because honestly, I tried several different rounds. I even tried some of these stars, and those didn't work either, so I just scratched it. So I went ahead and moved on to the ring finger, and I started decorating that one with a whole bunch of just the simple jewels. So I completely bedazzled that full nail out. For the middle finger, I used the transfer foils and just completely covered the nail in the silver foil. Then for the pointer finger, I had these scene water transfers, and because they were bigger, I wanted to try those to see if they would be just a little less delicate and I could actually use those. Plus they had flowers on there, and it reminds me of the poppies. So I went ahead and cut those out, removed them, and those worked a lot better. And the thing that I liked about this application and this nail is that once I went ahead and added on the water transfer, I decided to go back in and clean up and kind of cover the edges. So I used some gold foil transfer on the edges, and the nail actually looked like it was watercolored. And so I really liked how the nail turned out in the end with this process. And I think it was the prettiest nail that I made for this whole set, in my opinion. But y'all can let me know in the bottom in the comments. So of course I just repeated the process on each nail with making them get decorated and everything. And for the thumbnail, I wanted to just incorporate their meeting place of Glenda and Elphaba. So I just kind of used some of the yellow sticker tape, and I used yellow because of course Yellow Brick Road. And then I just used these letter cutouts and spelled shiz on the thumbnail. I did go back in and add like a second layer of the yellow tape, but it wasn't really that big of a difference with that, but I just really wanted to add kind of like a road pattern. So that's why I added that second little layer of the yellow tape. So on the pinky nail, I just kind of kept it simple. I added some gold foil on the tip, and then because I had more on one of them than I did the first one, I just kind of pressed them together and let the glue and the gold foil go across the nail, and kept that as organic as I could with the decoration. So here's the final set of Elphaba nails, incorporating the university, the poppies, and just Cynthia Erivo's love for bedazzled, phenomenal nails. I hope I did these justice, and I hope you guys like how the final product came out. Please let me know in the comments down below which nail design is your favorite, and I will see you guys for the next video. Toodles!